Hey, what's up, folks? If you're looking for the best running strollers, you've landed in the perfect spot. We've done the research to bring you the best running strollers options for this year. Considering price, performance, and usage scenarios, stick around to discover which running strollers is the best fit for you. You can find all the product links with the best deals in the description box below. Our list is in no particular order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end. Let's get started. Number 1. Mountain Buggy Terrain. The Kiwis are known for their innovation, and I think the New Zealand-based Mountain Buggy brand is no exception. The Mountain Buggy was my first jogging stroller, and I still love it. Its robust and sturdy frame is definitely built to endure a thrashing and will last longer than you need it. The interchangeable rear wheels are great for swapping between activities like a muddy trail run in the supermarket. It features an adjustable handlebar and handbrake. The reclining seat goes to a near flat position. I feel the strap adjustment clips could have some improvement, but overall, this is a great stroller for the price with the features packed into it. Number 2. Thule Glide 2. Most strollers have a swiveling front wheel. However, the Thule Glide has a permanently fixed front axle, as it has been specifically designed for running. I love the sporty long wheelbase, which gives it a safe and firm ride, making this model great for speed training. Thule has put a lot of thought into this model, with its aerodynamic shape for reduced wind resistance and super lightweight design frame of 23.8 pounds, Chasha 10.8 kilograms. This stroller is lighter than the Thule Urban Glide we listed above. However, it hasn't won the award for most lightweight due to its limited everyday use. The fixed wheel and long base make this running buggy less useful for everyday use. However, if you are looking for a great stroller specific for running that won't let you down on your long runs, speed work, and training runs, then you should definitely check out the Thule Glide 2. Number 3. Summit X3. The Summit X3 is one of the more versatile and durable running strollers on the market. Its rugged design has made this stroller popular amongst the running community. This stroller is similar to the mounting buggy. However, it excels with its safety features, including its superior 5-point harness and excellent suspension system. The front wheel has a remote wheel lock, which means you can switch between fixed or swivel wheel easily. For me, it's a no-brainer to spend a tiny bit extra for the Summit X3. The Summit X3 folds up very compactly, which is great for parents who drive vehicles with limited trunk space. It also has one of the highest weight ratings for jogging strollers, with a hefty 75 pounds or 34 kilograms. Parents looking to purchase this stroller will find the Summit X3 will carry their kids well beyond the time that kiddo has decided he's too old for a stroller. Number 4. Cybex Zeno. The Cybex Zeno might look like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it is a sleek and lightweight running stroller designed for avid runners who want something a little different for their runs. I especially love the size of its rear wheels, which makes small work of navigating bumps at speed. On the downside, the wheels are narrow, which means this stroller is best for pavements over all-terrain jogging. Like the Thule Glide, this stroller also has a fixed front wheel, making it great for running, but limiting for everyday use. The mesh sides keep your child cool on hot days, but mean you will have to wrap up baby more on cold winter days. Bear in mind, the Cybex AVI is sold as a chassis and seat, so make sure you are purchasing both if you choose this jogging stroller. Number 5. Bob Revolution 3.0 Duallie. If you're looking for a solid double stroller that can handle pretty much anything you throw at it, the Bob Revolution 3.0 Duallie is a strong contender. This stroller has been around for a while and for good reason. It's built tough and designed for parents who love to get out and about, whether that's on paved paths or rougher trails. It's a real workhorse, perfect for families with two little ones who don't want to slow down. One of the standout features is its adjustability. You can tweak the suspension, which is pretty neat, and the tracking is also adjustable. This means you can fine-tune the ride for your kids and the terrain. Plus, the handlebar goes up and down so you can find a comfortable height for yourself, which is a big deal on longer runs. It's got a generous weight capacity for each child, up to 75 pounds, so it's not like you'll outgrow it quickly. The canopy is also nice and high, giving taller kids plenty of headroom. Number 6. Baby Jogger X3 Summit. The Baby Jogger Summit is a very smart-looking pram that received a ton of compliments on the school run. But how does it fare from a jogging point of view? First, it was one of the most compact of the buggies that I tested, So while it does have all-wheel suspension and large back wheels, it doesn't feel like you're pushing around a mini tractor. The handlebar is at a fairly good position for running, but there's no option to adjust it. So it's worth trying it out before purchasing to make sure it suits you. The seat is slightly reclined, so as to be more comfortable at jogging speeds. This seemed to slightly annoy my 18-month-old son, who prefers to be more upright. You can pull it up a bit with the recline mechanism strap, but it's still at a permanent angle,